Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to do a full catback installation on a F90 M5 competition. Currently it has stock exhaust with downpipes already installed, and we're just going to do a full system all the way back, so stay tuned. Alright, so we'll start by pulling all the trim off. We'll pull the rear trim, this brace, and then we'll start pulling exhaust hangers, and we'll pull this whole section down in one piece. The valves are transferable to the new exhaust. Wiring will stay once we get the exhaust down. Pull the valve off, put it on the new mufflers. All right, just completed the basic installation. I'm gonna raise it up one more time, put the last remaining shield on, and we'll drop it down, fire it up, see how it sounds.